up here with the boys from Flannelette. Gentlemen, introduce yourself.
Yeah.
James. James.
Oh, Matty.
Matty, excellent. Wasn't a trick question, it's okay. We're talking about the new album Valley Nights here. I've got to say, I love the artwork on the cover. If you buy one of these at Wallapalooza, you'll see what I mean. So we're talking about Witchy here. Witchy's actually in the first film clip for Taxi. And now he makes an appearance in the film clip for Way Round too.
Yeah, he does, yeah. He's our main dude, so he'll get a sub appearance. He's on our stickies, he's on our t-shirts, and stubby fillers. He's the man. We're ugly, so he's the dude.
He is the poster boy.
He really is.
Excellent. That's a good choice. So tell us about the new EP, yeah? Yeah, so obviously, like a lot of bands, you have a lot of challenges and changes and stuff that go on. So tell us how this comes through and compares to your earlier work.
Well, this is the first time I've hit the studio for starters. Everything else was just a bit of a homebuilt effort, so we put a lot of love and effort into this. Money.
Isn't it lucky that rock and roll pays so well?
Yeah, we're rich as well. So just when you compare the two, the qualities is just this. It's ridiculous. This is actually us on a plate instead of just what we're trying to do. So quiet and cranky.
So what are we expecting from the guys at Wallapalooza this year? Talk about a live show.
So with every show, a lot of smiles. We just love being up there. We'll treat you like a million people. We hope there is a million people. We're working on it. Yeah. I hear there's a cover in the mix as well.
There's a cover in the mix. These guys are doing Evening by Stevie Wright. Yeah, old school.
Yeah, we'll smash that. We'll give it our own.
And I think we had a poll earlier, and a lot of people wrote into the Wallapalooza Facebook page. Please have the Wallapalooza Facebook page and keep up with updates. And the main question was, is Witchy going to be appearing on stage?
Yeah, with the Green. Yeah, he lives at home. Every now and then I see him on the side of the road.
I've seen him a few times.
Yeah.
He did have an extended holiday in Sydney.
Yeah, we left him in Sydney. He couldn't fit in the car.
Is he okay now?
Yeah, he got his own.
So he'll be doing backups.
Yeah, we'll put a little mic on the stage there. Bit of crowd surfing with Witchy, we hope.
Excellent. Witchy crowd surfing.
Yeah, let's get that happening.
Excellent. And also this show, Wallapalooza this year is going to be a Gold Coast EP launch.
Yeah, it is. So this is only fresh off the press. Our launch in Brisbane's in May, so everybody a little bit south of there, mate. This is a place to see some action.
Excellent. We're not that narcissistic that we don't like the bands playing in their other shows. Okay, just remember that. So guys, looking forward to seeing you down here in June 8th. Thanks very much for coming down and talking with Pete. Thanks guys. See you later. Peace out. Take care. Flannelette. Wallapalooza.